Scavenging is both a carnivorous and a herbivorous feeding behavior in which the scavenger feeds on dead animal and plant material present in its habitat. The eating of carrion from the same species is referred to as cannibalism. Scavengers play an important role in the ecosystem by consuming the dead animal and plant material. Decomposers and detritivores complete this process, by consuming the remains left by scavengers. Etymology: Scavenger is an alteration of scavenger, from Middle English scourger meaning customs collector, from scourge meaning customs, from Old North French escourge meaning inspection, from escora meaning to inspect, of Germanic origin. Akin to Old English scar meaning to look at, and Modern English show. Animals. Well-known scavengers of animal material include vultures, burying beetles, blowflies, yellowjackets, and raccoons. Many large carnivores that hunt regularly, such as hyenas, but also animals rarely thought of as scavengers, such as lions and wolves, will scavenge if given the chance. They may also use their size and ferocity to intimidate the original hunters. Almost all scavengers above insect size will hunt if not enough carrion is available, as few ecosystems provide enough dead animals year-round to keep its scavengers fed on that alone. Scavenger dogs and crows frequently exploit roadkill. Despite its reputation as a ferocious freshwater predator, the red-bellied piranha is actually a generally timid scavenger, fulfilling a role similar to vultures on land. Scavengers of dead plant material include termites that build nests in grasslands and then collect dead plant material for consumption within the nest. The interaction between scavenging animals and humans is seen today most commonly in suburban settings with animals such as opossums, polecats, and raccoons. In some African towns and villages, scavenging from hyenas is also common. Animals which consume feces, such as dung beetles, are referred to as carnivores. Animals that collect small particles of dead organic material of both animal and plant origin are referred to as detritivores. As a human behavior. In humans, necrophagy is taboo in most societies. Many instances have occurred in history, especially in war times, where necrophagy was a survival behavior. In the 1950s, Louis Bintford suggested that early humans were obtaining meat via scavenging, not hunting. In 2010, Dennis Bramble and Daniel Lieberman however proposed that early humans used long-distance running to hunt, pursuing a single animal until it died of exhaustion and hypothermia. Such behavior has been suggested as an adaptation to ensure a food supply that in turn made large brains possible. The eating of human meat, a practice known as anthropophagy, is extremely taboo in almost every culture. Occupation: Scavenger appears as an occupation in the 1911 census of England and Wales. This job title was used to describe someone who cleans the streets and removes refuse, generally a workman employed by the local public health authority. Young people in developing countries revert to scavenging to develop entrepreneurship skills in order to operate in hostile economic contexts. The name is properly scavenger, or scavenger, an official who is concerned with the receipt of custom duties and the inspection of imported goods. The scavengers are found with such officials of the City of London as an Aliconnel or Beadle. These officials seem to have been charged also with the cleaning of the streets, and the name superseded the older Rorquia for those who performed this duty. These professions are essential to urban settings operating at the highest capacity. The garbage collection jobs and scavenging professions allow urban populations to continue unhindered by outbreaks and disease most commonly brought by the buildup of physical waste. These jobs were of the most importance before the time of functional sewer systems and indoor plumbing. Gallery. See also, Consumer Resource Systems, References. Merriam-Webster's Dictionary, Smith T.M., Smith R.L. Elements of Ecology. 6th edition. Benjamin Cummings, San Francisco, C.A. Chase, A. Al. The Scavenger Handbook. Bramblewood Press, Santa Barbara, C.A. Rufus, Anelli and Lawson, Kristen. The Scavengers Manifesto. Tarcher, New York. Tasmanian Devil. Britannica Concise Encyclopedia. Chicago, Encyclopedia Britannica, 2009. Credo reference. Web September 17, 2012. Crook, H. Hunter and Hunted, Relationships Between Carnivores and People. Cambridge, UK, Cambridge University Press, 2002. Print. External links, Stitching a Life from the Scraps of Others, slideshow by The New York Times.